Mini DJs, what's up? It's me, DJ Lanes, and
you know me already.
Nope, you have to say your name.
Yep, like always, I'm the JP Jack Powers.
And what are we doing right now?
We're walking in the rain.
Well, we were walking in the rain.
And if you go in my video, you're not gonna believe what I saw though.
What we saw.
Yeah, but if you want to know, you have to watch my video. So.
Fair, very, very fair. I actually took a picture of it.
Yeah, but it'll be somewhere like right here or something. My video though. You should click the pink comment.
And I have hiccups again. That's great. So what?
Like.
So, I don't know what to say in this video right now, guys. I am...
You tell them what video kind of this is your first.
Oh. Guys, this is my first video on my new phone.
Yeah.
I haven't been posting in a while because my phone broke.
Yep.
But I got a new one just yesterday, set it up last night. And now the first video that I made with the new phone is with my best friend.
Yeah, you might see it, though, because I record videos on this phone.
I also did say...
Yeah, because in my last... Because in my video yesterday, you guys may have saw my friend's new phone.
That's true. In his video, I showed you guys my new phone and how it wasn't set up yet because we were at the park. But today we're not. Today we're going on a nice, long, easy walk.
Yeah.
It's not as windy as I thought. It was windier earlier, but...
On your walk?
No, when I was walking to your street, it was very windy and kind of like... a lot of rain.
My God.
My gosh. I'm wearing my favorite jacket and one of my favorite t-shirts.
Yeah, I think I'm walking ahead though, because I'm a speed walker.
We'll see about that.
Yeah.
You're just trying to...
Yeah, because I'm ahead of you.
True.
So.
Well, now I'm speed walking.
Alright. So.
Where are we right now? Wait a minute, I think I recognize it.
I know where we are.
I recognize... Never mind. Oh.
I already know where we are.
Same. Yeah, slow down a little bit. Best friend.
Now what's this?
Ha, you didn't get me. Not this time you didn't. This walk was really, really good, guys. But it was a long walk too.
Whoa, show it.
Where is it? Oh.
Right there, it's JetBlue.
I don't know if they can see that or not.
Oh my.
Guys,
Wait, look. Good thing I'm not filming the video so I can go look on the plane app.
You look on the plane app.
It came from Orlando. Yeah, it's going to...
I have no words right now.
No words. Yeah.
Uh-huh. What? You tired or something? Your ankle hurts. Not mine. You want to take a break for a minute?
Yep. You want to go to the street that where your ex-best friend is and your ex-sister is?
Okay, well, guys.
Because I saw in your videos that you're the big sister and she's the little sister.
Huh? Guys, do not ask what he means. Just don't.
Yep, let's meet your little sister.
Ugh.
I can be the middle brother.
You're not like a brother to me, though. You're my best friend.
Yeah.
Best friends and brothers are not the same. They're completely different things.
Well, what about the sisters?
Sisters are different.
That means you're...
Guys, comment down below if I'm right.
Yeah, but...
But what?
And maybe you should say, I'll show a bunch of your comments like I do in my videos. Only at the end of the video.
So.
Yep. So, wait, that means Aiden's your brother, right?
Yeah. Pretty much.
Oh. Okay.
You have any friends like that, Jack?
Nope. All I have is just you.
What about Austin?
Yeah, he's kind of a brother to me.
See?
Oh.
You could call him your brother.
He always calls me, hey, what's up, brother?
See?
Let's go down this way. Yeah, we should.
Fine.
Or I'll tell Sophia that's what you did.
Oh, fine.
And you still need to hit 70 subscribers.
I will.
Make sure she hits 70 subscribers by 9 p.m.
Tonight. Please, guys.
Otherwise, I'll tell her. Oh,
Got it.
because you're at 68 subscribers.
No, I'm not.
Tried to trick you. 67 subscribers.
Yes, I am. See, I remember.
I'm at 17 subscribers.
Okay, I'm scared that we're walking in the street, so
Wait, do you have a notification? Wait, oh, well,
Don't worry.
we're so dumb because there was a sidewalk that right next to us this whole time.
Okay, I have an idea.
Oh, we're almost at her house. Yeehaw!
Oh, Lord, help me.
Yeah.
Guys,
Oh, it's another plane.
it's another plane
That's
in the
dope,
sky
yeah.
somewhere. I don't even know where that is. Wait, oh, it's right there. I don't know if you guys can see that.
Oh, that's the trampoline where you filmed when I was in Florida.
Yeah, I definitely did.
Yeah.
I don't know if she's home, though. That's the thing.
All their cars are there. Yeah, look, she must hear the woo!
Shut up.
Thing. You guys need to even though beat up. Woo!
Shut up. Yeah, guys, he's just a little, making me... Jack is making me lose brain cells right now.
Yeah.
Why do you on purposely make me lose brain cells? Stop! Oh, great, and there's Lucky and Phoebe.
Got them to bark. Say that, hey, your ex-best friend is outside with Jack.
Shut up.
Yeah, baby!
Shut up. Jack is embarrassing me right now, guys.
She must be looking out the window.
Time to go.
Yeah. Hey, you guys going?
Jack, get your butt over here. I have to say it, guys.
Yeah.
He's making me lose brain cells.
Woo!
Why?
Oh, hey, there's a trail right there. You want to go walk in it? Because I know where this trail takes.
Where does it take us?
I'm not telling you.
What? So it's gonna be a surprise?
Yeah. The good thing you're filming though, because I'm not gonna film though, because if I do though, that means that Lay's gonna not film and be scared though, because that's even worse.
I'm not scared. I mean, even if I did get scared, it would be very little things like, what do I get scared of?
Come on. Come on.
I'm already... Guys, I guess we're going in the woods.
Yeah. I walk in the store all the time. Hey, do you recognize? Do you recognize this river? We saw that river earlier.
Oh, I know what river that is.
Yeah.
Woo! You actually stop embarrassing me. Okay, guys, so I think thanks to Jack taking me on this hike, I guess I'm gonna call it.
Yep. Because I'm not filming.
Thanks a lot.
I would be scared if I was filming.
Not me. I hold my phone very carefully.
Okay. Yeah.
And you know what? Thanks to you, I think I might need to get new shoes.
Yeah, new shoes.
What color should my new shoes be?
It should be green and blue and orange and red and yellow.
Pick one color.
All right. I'll take green, orange, yellow. That's one color. Let's get it all together. Oh, you know what that is? That's a leg. It's like a bridge though. Plus, you have to walk on it like that.
Yeah, never doing that.
Oh, can you film me doing it?
If you really want to do it.
I'm just kidding. Don't. I would never walk on that.
Ah, no, my shoes. No, why?
Keep coming.
I'm walking.
We're going deep into the woods.
Me and Jack going deep into the woods. You know how crazy that sounds? Guys, comment down below if you guys think that sounds a little crazy. I just got mud on my
I
shoes.
took a hike in the woods on Thanksgiving, remember?
Yep, I remember.
With my mom.
I remember. I was.
Go watch that video. Go watch it. It's on my YouTube channel.
Yeah, guys, go watch Jack's YouTube channel. I'll put it down below in the title. Jack, I still have to show you how to add my thing in your title. Jack's just walking ahead. He's not that much ahead, though. Watch this, guys.
We are almost there.
See?
We're almost there. We're near my house.
I kind of believe that.
How far to the river goes to the ocean? We live in the middle, in the center.
Oh. You know what? If we go for a walk like this again, I'm wearing my black sneakers and not these ones.
Hey, let's go. Let's go on that.
What is that?
Come on. Get on here. Let's go.
Well, can't complain now, guys. The woods is actually not that bad. Why do I recognize this? Guys, I recognize this really good for some reason. Why am I recognizing it?
We're going so far into the woods. Wow. Let's go in there.
I think Jack is just losing his mind.
Come on.
You know what? This reminds me from when I was younger and I tried making a movie of me in the woods. Did I ever tell you that, Jack? I'm going the safer way, huh? I am. This reminds me of 2 years ago. Jack, slow down a bit, buddy. You know how crazy this is? Wait for me. Where are we?
Come on, go, come on.
I am. I'm getting tired though. Guys, after this long walk, I'm gonna need I'm gonna need a 2-hour nap after this. Can you wait for me? Where are we? Whoa. Can you tell me where we are now?
Come on, run right. Come on.
I know where.
Come on.
I'm coming. Can you have a little bit of patience?
Uh-oh, I think we might be lost.
No, we're not.
We're lost. You should put the towel we got lost in the woods. With me and Lani.
No, I'm gonna say Lani and Jack got lost in the woods.
Yeah. Not like Darn Man. I got lost in the woods with Jack.
Fine.
That's the kind of horrible something.
All right, I'll do that as a title.
Here, this is trespassing. You got trespassing.
Oh, shush. I think Jack just wants to be goofy.
Come on.
I'm right here, you know.
Yeah, we must go across right there.
Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna go across. Keep filming. Or
I am filming. It's been filming for 17 minutes.
oh no,
What?
we're gonna have to go back.
No, we don't.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go back. Come on, let's go. We're gonna go.
We're gonna go where? Well, guys, Lani and Jack.
Come on.
I'm right here. Oh,
Come on.
I'm coming. This is scaring me right now, guys. Now I'm scared. Jack, do you even know where you're going?
No, I don't know where I'm going.
Ugh.
I'm gonna have to jump.
Jump where?
Yeah, we're gonna have to go.
There.
Yeah, come on.
Oh, sugar. Did you just fall?
Come on. Pretend like you're falling though, because that's how hikers do.
I technically did.
No, pretend you fall.
Oh, I tripped.
Yeah, yeah. Let's go more this way.
Please, no.
Hey, you want me to tell Sophia? Yeah, let's go. Let's go.
Okay, mister, I'm in charge. And I almost just did fall. I don't know how I'm holding the phone and
We got to go on there.
okay. Ooh. Oh, damn it. Jack,
Yes, we're gonna have to go way over there.
please, can we not?
You want me to tell Sophia?
At this point, I don't care. Can we just not do this?
And by the way, you know what? I didn't want to actually go in the woods. This was for payback for getting Sophia's birthday. You got tricked.
Well,
And by the way, I already told Sophia that you forgot.
okay.
By the way, we're in the woods for nothing. It was just for you because this is what you get. Do you know how does it feel to gain someone's birthday?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, Sophia, turn it to me. Turn it. Sophia, you're watching this. This is payback because she forgot your birthday.
Jack, don't leave me like this right now. Jack Powers! Well, guys, I'm gonna go. I'll see you later. Bye.